Hi, I'm so happy you are here. Today is gonna be another relaxing chit-chat video because I just got 2 boxes of yarn. It's a gift for my mother-in-law and she got it from Peru. I'm very excited about this because I like the story about the high quality alpaca yarn and I heard a lot of good things about the yarn. Also, Peru is one of my top lists of country that I want to visit one day. I heard a lot of good thing about it, like they have a lot of art and all that. I'm not sure, that's what I heard. If you are from Peru or if you are visiting Peru before, what do you think of it? Anything you want to share with me or with us, please share your experience in the comment below. Anyways, this is the first box that I have. I will share the yarn with you in a minute, okay? This is the second box. Oh, this is the big one. So pretty, so soft. Let's see. This is, I believe it's a Lourdes. I'm not sure if I pronounced right. This is 77% alpaca, 23% cedar. And I have 4 of these yarn. I think this will be great project to knit a lightweight top. Not sure yet though. And this is Lala. So soft. 100% baby alpaca. Make it super soft. And I have 5 of these yarn. I think this will be perfect for a sweater, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna have enough for a sweater. Yeah. Ooh, I think I can mix these 2 type of yarn together and make sweater or cardigan. I don't know. I'm excited to use it. All right, let's see these. Okay, this is called Alpaca Soft. Look at this beautiful, rich brown color. I love it. It doesn't say much in here. But yeah, I have, let's see how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 balls of this color. And this is the same brand, just different color. This is blue, beautiful blue. And let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 of these balls as well. I think these 2 colors will look way good together too. What do you think? Should I use one color or should I mix them? If you follow me for a while, you probably know this about me. So when I have beautiful special yarn, I'm a little scared to use it. I feel like I'm gonna ruin it somehow. Some of my yarn stay with me for like 10 years. I still didn't use it because, like I say, I'm a little nervous to use it. But I'm going to use this yarn and still not know what I'm gonna make from this beautiful yarn. And I have so much to-do list. Like I have so many designs in my head and I don't know when I'm gonna use this yarn. Just stay tuned and see, I guess. I also want to share with you what I'm wearing today. This is one of my most popular crochet top pattern that I have. This is lacy summer top. I made this top maybe 5-6 years ago. I'm not quite remember. And I'm gonna put the link to the video tutorial and pattern in the description below if you are interested. If you have followed me for a while, you probably know about this top and you probably made this top already. Yeah, it's a very popular one. I wear this top since I finished it. As you can see, the neckline is stretched a bit. I have to make another one soon. since I wear it so much and love it so much. I have two similar tops. Well, I have two tops that I use this lace stitch for. Let me show you. Okay, this is happy hour crochet top. Use the same lace stitch design. The lace is a little hard to see, sorry. Hold on. It's beautiful lace stitch. It's very easy to make. It's just two panels and then join together. I have side slit for this top. I love this top too. I think this top will be so beautiful with off-white color, like a cream color. And also, I like olive green. So I think olive green will be beautiful with this top. Alright, this is another one that I made. I used my mom yarn while I'm visiting my mom in Thailand. I follow this happy hour crochet top pattern, but I make it shorter. Just two panels, make it shorter, and I don't leave like a side slit. I make a little bit of adjustment because it's different size of yarn. This one much smaller yarn than this one. And yeah, that's it for this relaxing video chit chat. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.